If you're wondering how to generate retirement income in your 50s with zero experience, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you how digital marketing and master resale rights can transform your financial future. I know what it's like to look at your retirement savings and feel that sinking feeling in your stomach, wondering if you'll ever be able to retire. While starting in your 50s might actually be the perfect time to build an income you've always dreamed of. If we haven't met yet, my name is Deb and I'm 55. When I started searching for a way to make money online, I was working long hours in a job I didn't really enjoy, and I was stressed about my retirement. I was wondering if I'd ever be able to retire. Let me address the elephant in the room. You're probably thinking, I'm too old to learn digital marketing, and I've missed the boat on an online business. Digital marketing is simply connecting people who have a problem with a solution that can help them. And you do this through online platforms like social media, email, and simple websites. And here's what I love. You're not creating these solutions from scratch. With master resale rights, you're selling proven digital products that someone else has already created, and you're earning 100% of the profits. And here's what amazed me. People in their 50s are actually making $300 to $900 a day with this business. And that's because we have something younger people don't: life experience and credibility. The reason this works so well for people our age is because we understand real problems: retirement anxiety, financial stress, feeling behind in life. When you market solutions to problems you've actually lived through, your message resonates on a completely different level. You're not just selling a product, you're offering hope based on your own experience. If you're starting to see how your life experience could actually be your greatest asset, want to know more? Grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks this down step by step. Now, you might be wondering what master resale rights actually are and why this changes everything about starting a business in your 50s. Master resale rights means you purchase a digital product, in this case a training program, and you get the legal right to sell it as if it were your own, and you keep 100% of the profits. Think of it like buying a franchise, except instead of a physical location, you're getting proven digital products that you can sell immediately. With this business, these products sell between $100 and $900 each. And because everything is digital, your profit margins are incredible. People in our community are making $5,000 to $15,000 a month selling products they never had to spend months creating. What I love about master resale rights is that it eliminates the biggest barrier most people our age face: the technical overwhelm from creating a product from scratch. You're stepping into a proven system with products that already convert and support materials that guide you every step of the way. The digital marketing skills you learn while selling these products become your real retirement insurance. You're not just making money from one source. You're developing a skill set that can generate income from multiple streams. Once you understand how to attract and convert customers online, you can apply that knowledge to any product or service. Think about it this way. Instead of hoping your 401k recovers or that your pension will be enough, you're taking control by learning skills that can generate income on demand. If you want to see exactly how to generate income with digital marketing and master resale rights, I've got a free step-by-step training that walks you through the whole process. The link is in the description below. Now let me share something with you that might surprise you about why people in their 50s are dominating this space. People our age bring authentic wisdom and real-life credibility to everything we do. When you've lived through financial stress, career disappointment, and real challenges, you speak to your audience from a place of genuine understanding. This authenticity is incredibly powerful in digital marketing. Your age isn't a disadvantage in this business, it's your secret weapon. Every challenge you've overcome, every lesson you've learned, every mistake you've made has prepared you for this moment. You have credibility that money can't buy, and wisdom that comes from only living through real experiences. Here's what I wish someone had told me when I was staring at my pathetic retirement savings and feeling hopeless about my financial future. This isn't just about making extra money. It's about rewriting your entire retirement story. Instead of worrying about having enough saved, you're building skills that can generate income for decades to come. Digital marketing and master resale rights give you the ability to create your own economy, independent of traditional retirement models that frankly aren't working for most people anyway. people in our community who have fully embraced this approach aren't just supplementing their retirement income, they're creating the retirement income they've always dreamed about. The good news is, it's never too late to start, and the skills you develop in your 50s can serve you well into your 70s and 80s. This is about creating lasting financial security on your own terms. Your retirement doesn't have to be about surviving. You have the power to create the income you need by learning digital marketing skills and leveraging master resale rights. And starting in your 50s gives you an advantage that younger people just don't have. The only question is whether you're ready to take control of your financial future and start building the retirement you actually want, rather than settling for whatever circumstance hands you. When you think about your ideal retirement, what does it actually look like for you? Is it travel? Is it spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or something else entirely different? Let me know in the comments, because understanding your why is the first step to creating the income to make it happen. If you're ready to see exactly how digital marketing and master resale rights can transform your retirement outlook, free training I mentioned walks you through everything step by step. It's specifically designed for people our age who are ready to take control of their financial future. The link is in the description right below this video.